So the first thing I note here is that this expression is the form of x plus y over xy, which is really 1 over y plus 1 over x. That means I'll just divide each term. I mean, this is just so you can recognize the forms, but one could directly just do the division as well, and you'll get this. And the next thing I'll do is to change this to base 32, and the reason is because I have a 4 here, so they're related in terms of powers of 2. So this would become log of 32a divided by log of 15 to the base 32. And if this will go into the numerator, and if I put this in the denominator, log of a to base 32 plus 1 equal to 4. And then I can write 1 as log of 32 of 32. And move the 4 here, move this to the other side, because eventually I need to isolate a. So this can be written as product of 15 and 32, 4. And I can raise this to the power of 1/4, moving that 1/4 in front, equal to log of 32a. So that means a is this piece. A is the 4th root of 15 times 32. And there are two ways you can go about it. You can either take the 4th root of 15. Actually, I need to split this into 16 times 2, because 4th root of 16 is 2. So if I do that, I'll have 30 to the power of 1/4 times 2. And you can just compute this. And the way you would do this is take the square root of 30 twice, because that square root operation is allowed. So if I do that, 30 square root and do it twice, I get 2.34, and then I multiply it by 2, so I get 4.68. And if you look at the answer choices, it falls here. That's one way to do it. I mean, sometimes, you can just do that, not try to be elegant. If you multiply 15 and 32, that's 480. So we're looking at a being 4th root of 480. And we just look at numbers that I know the 4th power. So for example, 625 4th root is 5. And then 4th root of 256 is 4. So we expect a to be between 4 and 5. And that's where this inequality is coming from. So you can use that to bracket too, but make sure you are comfortable with this technique, because it will be helpful in other questions. So to summarize, the answer is